Hi everyone! Welcome to our channel. And yes, we are back for another video. But before that, allow me to say thank you sa lahat po ng new subscribers namin. Thank you for subscribing. And sa mga di pa po nakapag-subscribe, please do subscribe and click the notification bell so that you will be notified on our next videos. So for today's video, I'm going to share with you the steps on how to create a GCKey account. But before that, I just want to let you know that lahat po ng i-share ko today is based on my experience. Sa mga updated po sa channel namin, last week I uploaded a video on what are the requirements during a visa application. So once you gather all the documents, you are now ready to create a GCKey account. In your GCKey account, this is the page or account where you submit your documents, submit your application, pay your fees, and of course you will see here the updates, the information, and the status of your application. So let's start. So let's search IRCC login. Sign in to your IRCC secure account. And then, since we don't have an account, we click register. Then, you will see how to register for an account. So we click register with the GCKey. So makikita nyo din yung mga steps here. So click register with GCKey. So now, we sign up. It's a simple, secure access. So, before you accept, you need to read the terms and conditions, okay? Then, create your username. So, there's a username checklist, so you can follow that one. So, after you create your username, you click continue. Then you create your password. So, for your password, meron ding checklist on the right side. So, you follow that one. Then you click continue. Then, you need to create your recovery questions, answers, and hints. So after you create your recovery questions and answers, you click continue. And then, there's an optional account recovery. Pwede nyong i-key in yung email address nyo, and you can skip as well. Then you click continue. So after continue, your GCKey sign up is complete. So you will see your username and then you click continue. You need to accept again the terms and conditions, but before that, you need to read. Then you create your account. So you key in your given name, last name, then your email address, and your preferred language of notification. So after that, once you created everything, including your email address. So you click continue. So after you click continue, you need to create your security questions. You can just create any questions and then your answer. And don't forget, you need to remember, because you will be asked to answer one of your security questions each time you access your account. So after that one, you click continue, and that's it. So we're done creating our GCKey account. So on our next video, I'm going to share with you on how we submitted our visa application. So stay tuned to our next video. Bye! Thanks for watching!